Hey everybody, Mr. Skoblicki here. Today I'd like to talk to you about a feature in the Google Classroom that allows you to reuse assignments that you've previously posted in other classrooms. So the first thing you want to do is go to Classwork, Create, scroll down to Reuse Post. When you do this, you're going to open up a window that gives you access to all of the classes that you have been the teacher for or you have been a member of. So uh, let's just say I wanted to reuse an assignment from my summer school class, this ReadWorks article. So if I click on that and click reuse, I'll get a window will pop up like I'm creating an assignment. So I can edit the title if I wanted to. I can add additional instructions. This is the content from the original post. This is my original attachment. It was just a link. But I could add additional links or files from your Drive or other places, YouTube videos, and you can even create additional assignments here. And then you have the options here to make any adjustments to the due dates, etc. Another cool feature is if you happen to collaborate with somebody at your grade level, they can make you a co-teacher of their classroom, and then you can share assignments that way. Mr. Nelson was cool enough to let me be a part of his history class. And so if one of your colleagues creates an assignment that they think you would like to use for your own classroom, you can go to their class, choose an assignment. Let's say I would like to use this Mr. President assignment. Just click on that and I can reuse it as if it was my own. So here's all the content. Again, you can edit it even if you weren't the original creator, and add additional things. Don't forget to that you can have this feature here about making copies or what kind of access you want your students to have for each of the files that you attach. I mentioned it here because once you've posted it, you can't go back and change the access that the students have. Hope you guys enjoyed this cool feature.